Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm going to come and give you a review of a Netflix series. This is one of their new series they just put up, and it's called The Best Leftovers Ever. And this show is a pretty good show, and the show actually assists of, this is their first season, this is season 1, and I wanted to come and review it. Now, I'm going to tell you, if you see this on Netflix, I say watch it. It's a pretty good show. That's one. Number 2, the different type of food they're using, leftovers and everything. It's great, and I just think this is a different type of show, competition, cooking show. But the way that it starts off with 3 contestants, and first round they have to take their leftovers and be creative and show a everyday skill level of transforming the leftovers. Then they all go on to the second round. Let me go back. For the first round, like I said, they had to do their everyday skills transforming the leftover food. So one of the episodes, I was very puzzled in everything. I can't think of the name of all of the people who was involved, but I can remember 2 of them was from New Orleans. And they had the Thanksgiving leftovers, ham, stuffing, all of that, the whole 9 yards. And this woman, I can't remember her name, but she took the dressing and the ham and the apple pie, and they was making sandwiches. She glazed the ham with the cranberry sauce, put the stuffing in, and put the apple pie in the sandwich with the cranberry sauce glazed ham. I went in and did that, but it turned out from the judges end up liking it. So the judges, some of them you might have heard of from some other shows from Netflix. So you have Jackie Tohn, Tothon, Jackie Tohn, David So, and Rosemary Singer. And this show is a pretty good show. Like I said, it's called The Best Leftovers Ever. If I can rank this show, I'll give it a 9 out of 10 just because it's its first season. So, well, I'll have to see if it's going to get a second season, but I end up liking this show. So, y'all, please thumbs up this video, comment below, and make sure you go to Netflix to check out The Best Leftovers Ever. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.